This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Peninsula Regional Medical Center.
Eating well goes a long way to prevent breast cancer, but you also need to focus on healthy nutrition during cancer treatment and after. Eileen Barish is a dietitian in the oncology department of Peninsula Regional Medical Center and joins us today to tell us more. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Now, it's not been proven that eating well actually prevents cancer, but it lowers your risk. Why is that?
Well, I'm glad that you used that type of wording. It's important to know that there really is no surefire way to prevent cancer. There are ways that you can reduce your risk, different lifestyle choices you can make. One of the most important things that goes in with eating and nutrition is maintaining a healthy weight. So having a high BMI, being obese or overweight can actually increase your risk of certain breast cancers because fat cells actually produce estrogen, which can lead to breast cancer.
And your BMI, body mass index?
Yes, body mass index. The normal is about 19 to 25. So if you're over that, you might be at an increased risk. And as far as certain foods and components in foods that might reduce your risk, there are things called phytochemicals, which include antioxidants, which we hear of. And phytochemicals are plant-based compounds, so they're found in cereals, grains, beans, and of course fruits and vegetables. And what phytochemicals do to reduce your risk of cancer is they actually can promote cancer cell death. They increase your immunity so that you're better able to fight off cancer and of course infection and other diseases.
Now you brought some cups of food here that we want to talk about, and we kind of teased ahead that some of these are good and some are not as good. Can you tell me what we have here?
Yes, well here we have cruciferous vegetables.
Which is broccoli and cauliflower?
Yes, broccoli and cauliflower, and also kale, cabbage. Those are other types of cruciferous vegetables. And about a serving a day of cruciferous vegetables here can actually reduce your risk of breast cancer. And that's been shown through research. So that's one of the great foods that you can use in your daily routine to kind of help reduce your risk.
And in this other pink cup, it looks like cheese. I thought it was cheese, but it's not?
It's actually soy.
Soy.
So this I just got over from the grocery store. It's just a basic soy product. This one is tofu. There's also soy milk, soybeans, and tempeh. So those are just some pure soy products. And those are pretty controversial with breast cancer. But what we found through some small studies is that having soy, 1 to 3 servings a day of that whole soy food like this, might actually reduce your risk, especially if you have a whole soy food during breast development, early in life.
Oh, okay. So, and then in the blue cup, we have soy sauce and a power bar. Now, soy sauce is not soy, right?
Right. There's just some of these products, not necessarily a power bar. I'm not trying to demote a product. But a lot of these granola bars with extra protein added into it, those protein powders, they have something called soy protein isolate. And that is kind of not really containing those helpful parts of a soy that you'll find in the actual tofu or soy milk.
All right, now let's talk a little bit about a patient who does have cancer and they're undergoing treatment. Is there a particular way they should eat during that treatment?
During treatment, a lot of times with cancer treatments, some of the treatments tend to reduce your appetite, make you not feel like eating quite as much, and weight loss can be an issue. But what we find with breast cancer is a lot of those hormonal agents that are used to treat them can actually lead to weight gain in women. And as I mentioned before, being overweight can increase your risk. So while you're getting treatment, it's important to kind of follow a more prudent diet, maybe increase some of those fruits and vegetables in your diet, get some of those antioxidants that can help you through. And of course, having some omega-3 fatty acids might be helpful. There hasn't been a whole lot of research in it, but choosing protein-rich foods from plants, so beans, nuts, and even soy is safe. and also from that fatty fish can be a little bit helpful.
All right, thank you so much, Eileen. That's good information, and if you would like to learn more about nutrition as it relates to breast cancer, we have it on our website, delmarvalife.com. Click on the Show tab. Well, still to come on Delmarva Life, having trouble making ends meet? We'll tell you if filing for bankruptcy might be a smart option for you. But next, it'll be a special night for these and several more Delaware athletes. Why, they're being honored this Saturday. Delmarva Life, life at its best here on Delmarva.